Hello everyone, welcome to Ganesh Gurukul and this is Yogesh Gar. In this video, we are going to discuss JEE Advanced 2020 Paper 1 question number 13. So what we have in this question, let small m be the minimum possible value of log base 3 and this is the expression where y1, y2, y3 they are real numbers. Their sum is given as 9. Capital M be the maximum possible value of similar sort of expression. Again x1, x2, x3 positive real numbers, their sum is equal to 9. It gives a hint itself. Positive real numbers, you have maximum minimum type of thing, right? X1, if there are three possible, there are three or more than three positive real numbers, what we can do over there is that their AM is greater than equal to GM. That's the logic, right? Now, finally, it is asked find the value of this log base 2 m cube plus log base 3 m square, but that is irrelevant. If in the case we are able to find small m and capital M, it can be found very easily. This can be answered very easily. The point is how to find small m and how to find capital M. Now we have to find the minimum possible value of log base 3 and we have a sum inside the log. Now where y1, y2, y3 are real numbers, it means 3 to the power y1 and similar expression they are positive real numbers. So what we can do, we can clearly say that 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3 by 3 is greater than equal to product of these three numbers, that will be 3 to the power y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole power 1 by 3. This is perfectly fine, I hope. Now what we can write it as 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3 is greater than equal to 3. This is 3 into this is 3 to the power y1 plus y2 plus y3 and that is equal to 9. So 3 to the power 9 whole power 1 by 3 and this is 3 to the power 4. It means the m value m is equal to, that is the minimum possible value, it will be small m will be equal to log base 3 input will be 3 to the power 4. So this is your small m and this is equal to 4. You can see it very clearly. It is 4 into log base 3 to 3 and that is equal to 4. So small m is equal to 4. We have small m as 4. Now how to find capital M? Same logic, but capital M is the maximum possible value. So inside we should not have sum, and this is erroneous to use the idea over here that sum of these three numbers is greater than equal to their product, because it will not help us in any manner. Although what we can do, we can use the idea, we can use the property of log. We have addition outside, so we will have multiplication inside. So this expression is nothing but log base 3 x1, x2, x3. So what we have to do, capital M is the maximum. What we can see, capital M is nothing but maximum value of which expression? Log base 3 x1 into x2 into x3. So we have to consider, we have to find the maximum value of x1, x2, x3, and that can be done by using the idea GM is less than equal to AM. So x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3 to power 1 by 3 is less than equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, right? So x1 into x2 into x3 is less than equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 whole cube, and we have been given the sum of x1, x2, x3 and that is equal to 9. So 9 by 3 is 3 and 3 whole cube. So this is nothing but this is 3 whole cube. Now we are not interested in finding the maximum value of x1, x2, x2, x3. We are interested in finding the maximum value of log base 3 x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3. So capital M is nothing but log base 3 whole cube and that will be equal to 3. So we have capital M as 3, small m as 4. Now we have to find the final answer. So we have to find log base 2 m cube plus log base 2 m is 4 cube plus another thing is log base 3 m square, and m is 3. So log base 3 m square, 3 square. So first expression is 4 cube, that is 64, is nothing but 2 to the power 6. Or we can also do, we can take took 3 out of it, and log base to 4 is 2. So anyhow, anyways, it will be equal to 6. 6 plus, and this is clearly 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. I am doing it little fast because we have done many things, just sort of thing, this sort of thing above only. So this is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 is the answer of this particular question. So I hope that you must be finding this question as not very difficult. Now again, the utility of this question with respect to means. Can this sort of question appear in means? Yeah, why not? It involves am greater than or equal to gm, right? It involves that particular idea. It involves the property of log. So this question can be modified and can be asked in means. This is not a big deal. It is not a big deal to ask this sort of question means. Even I would say that this question will be easy as per the, or say average as per the mean standard. So this question can be asked in means. This not exactly the same, but this question can be modified and can appear in means. That's the utility I am discussing it over here. So stay tuned, keep watching.